In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make akra. First, we need this here. It's called malanga. I'm not sure how they call it in English, but it's called malanga, and you're gonna peel it off. And now after you peel it off, it's gonna look like this. And then we're gonna use this tool right here, and make sure you use the smallest hole. Then you grate it like this, down like this, then it will look like this. You want it to be very small and smooth also. Then we're gonna add some seasoning, and those are the seasoning that I use: Old Bay, Maggi, and this one here called Accent. And I like mine very spicy, so you need some very hot pepper. And this will conclude our video for today. Thank you.